Hey there bros, it's the Sealer. With my luck, I woke up late to Cars and Coffee. Let me know if that's ever happened to one of you guys. And it's also a pretty laid back video. We're gonna go to a Cars and Coffee. Maybe tell you guys a little story about when I didn't get accepted to a car show. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. Also check out what I'm wearing today. Z hat and Danny Z with the logo. Gotta represent, guys. You see that right there? 19.7 miles to the gallon. Yes. Also guys, the meet is like almost over. It's 11:02 and it ends at 12 or so. Alright guys, so we just made it to the car meet and it's kind of dead, but it's whatever. Let's see what's out there. That looks really nice. Look how wide the tires are. Damn. Okay guys, AMG GT or GTR? Still going with the GTR. You know guys, I'm just here. Oh wow. I'm just here sitting down in front of my future car. Hey, you know, right here. I'll run around with you guys. Like, it's so perfect. Why would you not want it? There. So close but yet so far away. Aventador SV, Maserati, Ferrari, Aventador, and Huracan over there. That looks so disgusting. Holy crap. That looks so nice, guys. That's nice. So my favorite car, other than the GTR, is probably the wide body 5.0. Anthony, what was your favorite car?
What was your favorite car? Probably that Dodge Charger. Z06.
Z06? Haven't seen a Z06, but if he says there's a Z06, then there has to be a Z06.
GTR.
He hasn't answered. GTR?
And it was that black 5.0 that just went off.
Yeah, that
was freaking crazy.
Alright, two steps and everything. That was really nice. Also, the AMG GT.
Yeah, that was pretty nice.
The Mercedes, that was nice too. Holy crap. Is they really backing out? I'm done. Bro, he doesn't come this way, I'm leaving. No. If there's something as troll as that, please let me know. Okay, I think he's coming this way. I'm acting like such a little kid, but honestly, it's an SV. Why not? Take off for the video. We're gonna try to see if we can find the Lamborghinis. We have nothing else to do. We haven't found the Lamborghini, but there's a Ferrari 458, I think, up there. He does not care about us. Okay, bro, so we did not find any Lambos. We did not find the Huracan or the Aventador or the Gallardo or anything. We did find that 458 though, which the color was okay. Not my favorite color on the Ferrari. I think I like Ferraris better with red or white. Hey, I'm just gonna go to 60 miles per hour and I'm just gonna start revving. Cause that's how the other guy did it. So I just wanna see if my car does shoot flames. Okay. Nothing? Damn it! Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna break this car. If you guys are wondering why I was rolling and revving the car, because I have a friend that has a 370 and his shoots flames. I wish I could show you guys. What he does, he just leaves the car rolling and just starts revving onto red light and the car goes one pop. Mine pops really loud, but it doesn't shoot flames. His shoots flames though, and it's pretty awesome. I'm gonna try to make it pop for you guys. So So this is probably the title of the video, and it's how I didn't get accepted to a car show. The show I'm talking about isn't this that we just went to. That's a Cars and Coffee. I'm talking about an actual car show. And I don't really blame them for not putting him in the show. I mean, my car is pretty much stock, but every time I go to a car show, there's only like 1 or 2 370s. And even this one that didn't accept me, my friend went, I couldn't go. Trust me, I would have went if I could. I just didn't go because it didn't accept me. But even this one that my friend went to, 2 370s, and one of them was completely stock. There was like a 2013, and like it looked out of factory, which I don't know. It's whatever though. We shouldn't really use moments like these to get upset though. We should use them like a form of motivation, that every single car show you apply to, they're gonna accept you. Well, that's kind of the story. I just wanted to let out my frustration. I really hope you guys like this laid back video. Not really much of a topic, just kind of going to a car meet, telling you guys that story, trying to find the Lamborghinis, which you couldn't find, but it's whatever. No though, let me know if you guys like this laid back video. Not really a topic, just me driving around, going to car events, telling you guys a story and just talking inside the car. They're a lot easier to make, and I'm always gonna have content for you guys. this guy just looked at me. That guy looking at me reminds me, yesterday I was at a highway, and usually there's 3 lanes. The right one for slower people who just want to cruise, middle one just a little bit faster, and then the left one's to pass people. I didn't really make the mistake of being on the left lane, but I was going like 85 on the left lane, and that's a lot faster than you should be going on the highway. But a lot of people do it, so you don't really get pulled over for going that fast. But I was going 85, and this guy in the middle lane looked at me and shook his head like I was going slow or something. Like, how is that even going slow or whatever you felt like? Am I supposed to be going like 100? After that, I might have downshifted and sped by him really fast, but I mean, I might have done that. I'm not too sure. And we're pretty much home now. It is currently 12:58. The drive on the way there felt pretty long, but on the way back we took another route and it was pretty short. It wasn't that long. I need to put the AC on. You know how people say car life, guys, don't really use AC? If you live in Florida, trust me, you're gonna need AC. So with all that said, right now I believe we're at 860 subscribers. I just checked it right now. Honestly, I remember when I had 58 and I was making a video about how happy I was. Now I have 850. Soon I have 1,000, then even more. So thank you guys so much, honestly. It makes me really happy just looking how good the videos do and you guys actually enjoy the videos. Thank you to the 860 right now that I subscribed to the channel. I'm also trying really hard to put up at least 2 videos per week. As you guys know, college started, well, school started about 2 weeks ago, and I've maintained really good. I think the last week is the only week I uploaded 1 video, and it did pretty decent, but I'll get back to uploading 2 videos a week for you guys. I'm talking really low because I'm tired. With all that said, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like the video, click the notification button, share with your friends. Oh, I just cut myself. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. After I said the outro, if you're still watching, comment a Z. I just want to see how many of you guys actually stay till the end. Watch it be nobody.